Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Natural Living. It's lovely to have you here. So in today's video we're going to be looking at Pisces, the star sign, and which crystals are best suited to this particular sign. So if you are a Pisces, happy birthday. If you're not a Pisces, maybe this would be really useful for you if you have a Pisces in your life, if it's your partner, sibling, family member, friend, whatever. This would be a really useful video to watch on their behalf, and you could maybe send it to them, send them a link. But anyway, before we get into the video, I'd just quickly like to shout out the fact that I have opened an Instagram page for this channel. So please head over there to see more kind of day-to-day content about me, my lifestyle, what I get up to, and other bits and bobs about crystals, of course. So anyway, I'm going to stop waffling and get straight into the video. So first off, we're going to start with Pisces traits. So if you are born between February the 19th and March the 20th, you are a Pisces. So this is the 12th sign in the zodiac and is characterized by water elements. It's also represented by like the little fish symbols, embodying serenity and compassion. So these people tend to be very intuitive, quite sensitive and intelligent individuals, and they have like an inclination towards supporting other people. So if you're a Pisces, your primary focus is on achieving success, and you have a really strong like sense of justice. You're a very good friend or perhaps a good business partner. Pisces individuals possess like quite a profound emotional capacity, but the influence of Neptune, which is their ruling planet, can occasionally leave them feeling a bit overwhelmed. If you are a Pisces, you can find yourself taking on perhaps the emotions of other people, which can sometimes be a bit of a burden, like you really feel quite heavy with like the world's wider problems. So to realign and enhance your positive qualities, consider exploring crystal healing. So without further ado, let's get into, I think there's about 7 crystals coming your way, so let's go. So kicking off with amethyst. So this holds a really central position along the top crystals for Pisces. It's also really widely available and easy for you to get hold of. So I thought this was a good place to start because it's quite a common crystal. It brings about feelings of tranquility and emotional equilibrium. It's recognized as like the traditional zodiac crystal for Pisces, and it is actually February's birthstone too. So amethyst works as quite a stabilizing force for Pisces, which is a sign that it can be swayed by like the ebb and flow of their emotions and other people's emotions too. So it provides like a kind of serene sanctuary for them to just sit and be. This affinity between Pisces and amethyst is ingrained in the crystal's capacity to heighten intuition and kind of like deepen a spiritual awareness. As a Pisces navigating your introspective and imaginative realm, amethyst acts as a guiding force, basically, fostering an elevated sense of awareness and a profound connection to your subconscious. So this is a great tool to use if you're meditating and if you want to kind of explore like the psychic realm a little bit more. Integrating amethyst into your daily routine can be a really great experience for a Pisces. So you could wear it with jewelry, place it on, your bedside table, or have a tumbler stone in your pocket. Using it during meditation is a really, really great tool. The presence of amethyst can enhance your inherent intuitive abilities as a Pisces. For both Pisces men and women, this crystal emanates like a real comforting energy and serves as a reminder to remain grounded and connected to your own inner wisdom and not kind of get swept away with your own chaos or other people's energies that may be messing with you. So amethyst works as like a spiritual companion, and it amplifies Pisces' innate qualities of intuition, empathy, and creativity. Its soothing and protective energies establishes it as a real indispensable stone for Pisces. So this is definitely something I would recommend if you're just getting started with crystal healing and you are a Pisces. Next up is fluorite, which is renowned for its huge spectrum of colours and beautiful clarity. So this crystal works to basically instill order amongst chaos. So it's a good crystal for the contemplative and imaginative nature of Pisces. Fluorite is celebrated for its concentration and mental clarity properties. It is particularly valued for Pisces individuals who may grapple with focus because of their like boundless imagination, which isn't always a bad thing. For Pisces, fluorite acts as a guiding light in the midst of like confusion. It really helps you with decision making and helping organize sometimes scattered thoughts. It works well in calming anxious minds and often offers support with emotions or ideas becoming kind of overwhelming and maybe feeling a little bit overstimulated from them. Fluorite promotes rational thinking and clear communication, which is essential for articulating the profound and intricate insights that are often characteristic of Pisces. So if you are a Pisces, you might want to keep a piece of fluorite on your desk to improve your focus. You could carry a small tumblestone or for your mental clarity as well throughout the day, or you could meditate with it with like the intention of amplifying your natural intuition and psychic abilities. It's a particularly useful crystal if you're stressed, or if you're going through like intellectual or creative endeavors, like if you've got a project at work or something like that going on. Fluorite can help kind of channel this energy while maintaining like quite a grounded perspective on things, and helps you not to kind of feel like you're drowning and just overwhelmed by everything. It can also help you to remember your dreams and remain firmly connected to the tangible world if you do ever kind of go over into that dream world. Next up is bloodstone. So this is great for Pisces because it is a great grounding tool and resonates with the sun sign in Pisces. And it also works really well with the energies of the month of March too. So if you are a Pisces of March, this could be a great tool for you. Because Pisces are quite sensitive people and often find themselves like shouldering the burdens of others. I feel like I can say this about Pisces because my grandma was a Pisces and she was just like this. But because bloodstone's got a really strong connection to the root chakra and therefore is a really good grounding tool, it can help you to like prioritize your own emotions above like anyone else's, and making sure that you kind of stay true to yourself. So this crystal is also known as heliotrope, by the way, and it acts as like a beacon to steer you back to recognizing your own personal needs amid the real compassionate nature that defines you as a Pisces, because often you can kind of put your own feelings below other people's at times. So bloodstone works well with the lower chakras, contributing to a heightened sense of focus and self-assurance. It basically works as like a loving support system and empowers you to reclaim and strengthen your own personal power. If you align yourself with the grounding energies of bloodstone, you can create like a sense of balance that allows you to go through life kind of navigating its complexities with like a greater resilience and clarity as well. But using bloodstone on like a practical day-to-day basis, I definitely recommend wearing it with jewelry. As you can tell, I love jewelry. But it's just such a nice, easy way to use crystals and like have it constantly on you. I love using tumblestones, but I often lose them, or they're kind of just rattling around in the bottom of my handbag. So I definitely recommend jewelry. Next up, we have aquamarine. So as Pisces is obviously deeply intertwined with the water element, it would naturally resonate with aquamarine, which is often referred to actually as the sailor's stone, which I didn't know, and is renowned for its calming and soothing qualities. So this crystal encapsulates the subtle but potent energy of the ocean, and it imparts like a profound sense of peace and clarity, akin to, you know, those like lush wave sounds you can get. That's kind of what I think of when I work with aquamarine. Aquamarine is basically like a symbol of fluidity and serenity, much like the sea again. So this crystal can create clear and compassionate communication. It aligns with the empathic and expressive nature of Pisces. It might be particularly beneficial for a Pisces who may find themselves occasionally overwhelmed by the depth of emotions they could feel or the intensity of the surrounding world. So aquamarine can be quite a therapeutic crystal to use for them, and kind of helps to alleviate any fears or phobias they may be experiencing. If you're going through like a stressful time or emotional turbulence, I definitely work with aquamarine again, because it can have quite like a soothing, grounding presence. Again, wearing it as jewelry, so you've got it physically close to you, or you could strategically place it in different living spaces to create a serene atmosphere. It's a really versatile crystal. And I know that lots of people, when they think of aquamarine, they think of it as the precious gemstone, and it can be quite expensive, obviously, if it's, you know, set in like a gold ring or something, but you can get the raw form of aquamarine, which is a lot cheaper. So if you are wanting to work with aquamarine and, you know, you're kind of on a budget, then that's something that I would be looking for, aquamarine in its raw form. It is also affiliated with the throat chakra and creates like an expression of profound and poetic insights with clarity and confidence. So to summarize, aquamarine works well for Pisces because it supports their emotional and expressive facets of their personality. Next up, we have a personal favourite crystal of mine, which is blue lace agate. This is particularly attributed to the moon in Pisces and is a very, again, soothing, soft, gentle crystal. This crystal also offers like a real calming embrace that alleviates anxiety and creates like a really positive mindset. If you're a Pisces and you sometimes find shyness, like your own inherent shyness, can be a bit challenging for you, working with blue lace agate could kind of help bring out that inner confidence and help drive you towards achieving your own personal goals. It's actually really good at helping you like articulate yourself quite well. So it works by harmonizing like your energy and in particular the throat chakra. So if you've got a work presentation you need to give, this would be a really great crystal to use. It can also help Pisces express themselves authentically, particularly in social scenarios where they may feel a little bit anxious or overwhelmed. The gentle energy of blue lace agate can act as a guide, encouraging honesty and clarity in communication as well. It works to transform moments of uneasiness and kind of anxiety into opportunities for actual, like genuine self-expression. Again, wearing it as jewelry, keeping it in your personal spaces can infuse its energy into your daily life. I personally, I'm not a Pisces, I'm a Gemini, but I have a massive chunk of blue lace agate on my bedside table because of its soothing, calming energies. I just love working with this crystal. And then we have jade. So jade is a beautiful, obviously, we all know jade. It's a beautiful, beautiful green color and associations with like wealth and luck and all that good stuff. But it also symbolizes purity and serenity whilst being connected to the heart chakra. Obviously, it is green. It is associated with the heart chakra. This fusion of color and energy makes it a really good companion for Pisces. It enhances their innate capacity for love and for care. So in the world of Pisces, which is a zodiac sign celebrated for its compassionate and empathetic nature, jade works really well to amplify the benevolent energies within. So it acts as like a beacon and attracts luck and creates an environment of protection for the Pisces. The gentle, soothing vibrations of jade resonate, as I said, with the heart chakra and infuse Pisces with like a heightened sense of love and particularly self-love and empathy to the self again. So this not only enhances their ability to care for other people, but also their own well-being, more importantly. Jade also works as like a guardian for Pisces and promotes self-sufficiency and resilience to the wider world. It's quite a subtle energy, but it does have a powerful influence and encourages Pisces individuals to embrace, their own strengths and kind of believe in themselves and their capabilities. It creates a sense of inner balance and harmony. As a protective ally, jade can provide like a shield against negative energies as well. Again, letting Pisces kind of navigate through life and feel like protected, that they've kind of got a guardian with them as they go through things. It works to enhance Pisces' ability to love, protect, and cultivates a serene sense of self-sufficiency. Next, we have jasper. I have actually done a full video on jasper, so I will link this above and in the description box if you want to check out more details. But in terms of Pisces, jasper works really well for Pisces when it comes to its more emotional landscape of this zodiac sign. So jasper is a very grounding crystal and plays a role in harmonizing and stabilizing the sometimes, fluctuating emotions of Pisces. As we know, Pisces are known for being compassionate and nurturing people. So jasper becomes a stabilizing force if they're particularly stressed or going through like an upheaval kind of time in their life. So it works to calm them, ground them, kind of center them and bring them back to the self. It's an earthy crystal and it is a reliable anchor and creates a sense of stability that is really, really important for these kind of water signs. It promotes a sense of equilibrium and becomes a really reliable companion for Pisces individuals and helps them to find like a centered and grounded approach to things. It also resonates with the nurturing side of Pisces as well. The stone's energy aligns with the compassionate essence of this water sign and offers comfort and warmth during times of emotional vulnerability. This helps Pisces individuals feel more connected to the earth and provides a sense of security and reassurance. Jasper serves as basically like a bridge between the ethereal and the tangible, which is Pisces and the grounding stone, and helps Pisces in grounding their imaginative and introspective tendencies. Jasper empowers Pisces to navigate their emotions with a heightened sense of clarity and resilience by connecting them to the earth, the grounding energy. Whether you use it as a pocket stone or incorporate it into meditation practices, jasper can become like a really tangible embodiment of stability and support for Pisces. And there we have it. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That is basically everything you need to know in the world of crystals at Pisces. If you are a Pisces, let me know what you thought down below. And if you have worked with any of these crystals, or if you're not a Pisces, then just let me know what you thought of this video. Is there any other information that you'd like to see in here when it comes to this zodiac sign series? I do actually have a full video coming soon about jasper. It's gonna, basically include loads of details about loads of different types of jasper. So make sure you hit the notification bell to be alerted when that goes live. If you did like this video, I recommend you check out my star signs and crystals playlist. Or if you'd like to know more about jade or blue lace agate, then watch those full videos as well. So I'll leave them in the end cards and I will link them down below and put them up here wherever I can for you so you can access those videos, because I really think that they will be useful for you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you have a lovely rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Much love, stay happy and blessed be.